friends! Today we get to practice all our capitals. You know all the different types of ways to write a capital letter. So now we get to do the whole alphabet. Yay! Hey everybody, it's Mrs. Fowler. I hear that from Magic C Bunny, he was just telling me that you guys are ready to do all of your capital letters in handwriting. So this is an important practice page because this is where you show me that you know how to write all the letters correctly. I don't know how that black mark got on there. Somehow I was drawing on the screen. So here we go. When you are done with this page, I would like you to snap a picture of it for Seesaw, if you can, and share it with me so I can see that beautiful handwriting. Our first letter is A. It's a center capital. So we get our pencil grip ready. Remember, forefinger, thumb. Balance it on the middle finger. And here we go. We're sitting up straight. We're in a quiet place to do our work. 1, 2, 3. B letter is actually a frog jump. Down, jump. Come into the middle, into the bottom. Magic C starts in the center, comes around like this. Yay, C! Oh, that Magic C. Every time he hears his name, he comes in. Here we go. Big line down. Oops, I made that not as straight as I would like it. Just going to erase. Everyone makes mistakes, but I'd like to do my best. Is that a little straighter? Come around. E, frog jump. Down, jump. Little line, little line, little line. F, also a frog jump. Down, jump. Little line, little line. G, center capital, make a nice curve, come up, lift your pencil, cross your G. H, line down, this is a corner capital because we go to the next corner, line down, down through the middle. I, center capital, get it away from that black line, I don't know how that got on there. Down through the middle, straight, lift your pencil, 1, or that was 1, 2, and 3. J, center, come down and turn. Then lift your pencil to cross the top. K is a corner capital, so you come down, you lift, you go to the other corner, come in, kick out. L comes big line down, and just make a turn and stop. M, big line down, hit the center, back up, back down. You don't lift your pencil off the paper for a capital M. Same with N, we're going to, well, after the jump, sorry. Frog jump, and then keep your pencil down to the corner, back up. Center capital, make your magic C, but keep coming all the way around. P, frog jump, jump, come to the middle. Q comes around like an O, but give it a little tail in the corner. R, frog jump, another kick letter, come in like a P and kick. S, make a little mini C, and then a backward C. Did I hear C? Yay! Oh, he just loves C's. Oh my goodness. We're never going to get through this. All right, T, down through the center, cross your top. U, come straight down, curve back, up to the corner. V, hit that middle and make it pointy, back up. W, your pencil stays down the whole time. Down, up, down, up. X, diagonal, lift your pencil, go to the other corner, diagonal. Y comes to the center, lift to the next corner, diagonal, and Z. Keep your pencil down the whole time, over. Oops, sorry, you guys can't see that. Diagonal and over. The whole alphabet, friends. Yes, Magic C. What was that? Oh, Magic C would like to say goodbye and good luck. Bye, friends. Good luck with your alphabet.